But she obviously ain't one of them. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we are going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here, right now. It is super cute. It's for the summer. It's for vacation. If you wear wigs on vacation, it is just a must have. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so this is what your wig will come in: a double-lined silk bag. Okay, it also comes with a name card. This wig style's name is Gabriella. It has care instructions on the back and our social media account info. Follow us. And then this is what the wig looks like fresh out the bag. Okay, it is a 5x5 closure wig, 24 inches, deep wave, beautiful goodness. Okay, the lace is lacing. Okay, the lace is lacing. The hairline is very natural. It looks so good. And then the inside of the wig looks like this. It has combs on the side, a comb in the back. It has adjustable straps as well as an elastic band. So it is very much so going to give you security. It's going to be secure. The wig is not going to go anywhere, okay? So yeah, this is just what it looks like. That elastic band is not adjustable too, by the way. So yeah, one more look at the inside and the lace. Oh my gosh, get into her, okay? So here is the wig after it has been washed and air dried. I did go in and kind of like just pull it apart just a teeny bit. And this is just what it's looking like. It's 24 inches long. It's a 5x5 closure wig. Now, like I said, I'm torn between if I want to, like, you know, lay the frontal down and stuff. Well, no, not frontal. Lay the closure down and stuff. Or if I want to just put it behind my hairline like I always do. I think I'm going to just put it behind my hairline. Like, it is my birthday dinner. I'm trying to turn up and have fun. I don't want to be worrying about, you know, my closure, like my hairline sweating and my closure sweating out. I need to add foundation to the underside of the wig. One thing about me, I'm not bleaching the knots. I want to. I don't feel like it. I'm going to just take some foundation and buff it in to the wig. And we go from there. Okay? Let me try it on. Let's see how it fits with like just a little bit of adjustment. Okay. So when you walked over to me, too much. You're on top of the vocal. I'm not giving you this. It's just like the way it's sung. No, too much neck, honey. Yeah, shorty going behind the hairline. I'm not even about to play around. Like, it's going behind the hairline. So let's get to styling. This portion I'm going to speed through.
Okay, so this is the final look. Like I said, I ended up putting a wig behind my hairline and just leaving my own edges out because I just really don't have time to be subconscious about my hairline sweating. Like, if my edges sweat out, it's fine. But like wig lifting, no. But yeah, I just added some mousse like very lightly throughout. I think I showed y'all that part because y'all know I don't typically put product in my wigs, like mousse and stuff like that, but it is hot today and I wanted it to kind of almost look a little bit wet, but not like really, you know. I for one love this texture. I think it looks beautiful. Okay, that's for one. But I also love the wig as far as the construction go. It is a 5x5 closure wig, so you could do a lot with this wig. Okay, it is 24 inches long, so I feel like you could straighten it, you could wand curl it, you could leave it in its natural state, you could do a little like half up, well, center up, sides and back down. Like, it's just a lot of different styles that you could do with this wig, so it is very much so versatile. This wig is expensive though. This wig, listen, this wig is a pretty penny, okay? And that's one of the reasons why I kind of like strayed a little bit away from like closure wigs and frontal wigs, because post-pandemic, listen, the prices went up and I just don't really feel comfortable charging so much money for products, you know what I'm saying? I was just like, I'll stick to this. I feel like it's just more cost effective as far as like the 1.5x4 closure wigs. And I do feel like despite the fact that it's a 1.5x4 closure wig, it is pretty versatile, I feel. But I was like, you know what? Let me do this one time for the girls. So it is limited stock on this wig, but depending on how it go, I will make it like a permanent situation where the wig is always restocked. Yeah, like we shall see. But like I'm not even about to sit here and play no games with you. Sis is a pretty penny, okay? She costs a pretty penny. But I feel like it is worth every single, oh my God. It's worth it all, okay? It's worth it all. It's so pretty. I love this. I'm obsessed with this, okay? Miss Gabriella, you came and stole my heart, okay? Yeah, so I feel like I told y'all about the construction of the wig in the beginning. The hair is really good quality. I feel like for me, I feel like I shouldn't even have to say that. Like, we know that, right? I'm not gonna sell you nothing and the hair is not good quality. So the hair is really good quality. I love the way it looks like when it's in its natural state, because this is how the wig looks in its natural state. For the most part, I will wear this wig like this in its natural state. Obviously, like I said, I did add a little bit of mousse to it just to kind of like lock things in place and give it that wet look, but it looked pretty before I even put anything on it when I showed you. So like for me, this wig, I would kind of wear it mostly like this in its natural state, especially like, hello, it's giving, it screams summertime. Are you crazy? So yeah, if you're interested in the wig, I will leave the direct link to it down in the description box, as I always do, okay? But be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.